Well, hello there. I didn't see you watching. Just fighting these currents, these rapids, so to speak. Oh, look at that. Usually this is filled with water. Okay. Yeah, this is like a little pool place here. Kinda. See how it's all. You can bring like little ones and they won't get swept away. You're going in there? Well, look at those currents. You're coming in? Wow. Okay, don't go over there. Guys, I don't feel like swimming and going to catch you. Wow. Look at that. There's got to be bear dams or something here. Hey! Hey! I'm trying to look for fish. Water. Huh? Fish! Wow. I'm back on land. You're gonna follow me? Yeah. You're gonna follow me in here? Actually, let's get out through here. I'm not sure where this leads. Ugh. I thought those were birds, but it's just my shoes squeaking. Oh no, we're lost. This doesn't look like normal water. Uh-oh. I think we gotta keep going that way. Well, we found our way out of this mess. We made it!